Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add products in Watchlist on eBay. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add products on Watchlist on eBay. Maybe because you want to purchase a product, but you're not sure if you really want it or not. So you want to save it so that you could purchase it later. Or maybe there's a product you really liked, but you want it not now, but you want it in future. So you want to save it so that you could purchase it in future. Or it could be any other reason for you to add any product in watch list on eBay. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. The first, you have to make sure that you have already installed the eBay, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the eBay app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of products and categories on our home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom and at the top of the screen. So from all these things, if you want to add any product, like you really like the product and you want to add it into your watch list, so first you have to find product. You can find products on your home page, or you can go to this search section. There you could search products by typing something related to that product, and when that product appears, you can add them into your watch list. So here I'm going for the categories. Let's go to these electronics or mobile gadgets things. Here, once I tapped on it, I'm going for the iPhones. Here, as you can see, we are getting a lot of products and subcategories based on what we have selected, which is iPhone or electronics. So here I have got to these products. As you can see, I'm going to select any one of these products. Likewise, you can choose product of your choice in the app of eBay. And once you have selected a product, just simply tap on the icon of that product, or you could say display of the product, and that product opens. Once the products open, you may check its description, its picture, price, delivery date, and once you find it compatible to you, you may purchase it or may add it into your watch list. So if you want to add it into watch list, you have to click on this heart. If you click onto this heart, your product will be added into your watch list. So here, if the product have some variations, then you also have to select the variations, but if the product doesn't have any variation, then it will be immediately added into your watch list. So here the color of the heart has been changed. That means the product has been added into your watch list. So there's another way through which you can add products into your watch list with this help. Right now the product is added, so I am deselecting it. Once you click onto this option, the product will be added into your watch list, and later on you can get access to the product and can purchase it whenever you feel you want to purchase it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add products in watch list on eBay. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.